How do you control the slow motion video on the iPhone? Let me talk about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe, and that way you'll never miss anything. Now, there are two angles we can take a look at this, right? Or two ways you can control it. The first one is during the moment of capturing the video. But then you can also control it somewhat later, so after you recorded it or, in the post-production. So first of all, if you want to control it inside of the camera, you can, of course, go to the regular video mode and then switch to the slow motion. That's right there, okay, whatever. But in order to control it, you get to decide which quality it's going to be in. It depends on your actual hardware and the iPhone model, but most likely you'll be able to switch between the 120 and 240 FPS. The higher FPS means that the video will be smoother, but it will take up more storage, but that gives you more option to slow it down and make it still look watchable. So you can decide which option you like more. So that is during the process of recording the video, but then once you have it ready and saved in the gallery, you can as well just open it up, make it go full screen, and this gives you the ability to click on edit. And at the bottom below the timeline, you get to decide which part of the video is supposed to be in full speed, where the slow motion part begins, and so on. So that's another way to control it. Or you can apply the settings generally for the whole clip by clicking the button in the top right. And this just, puts it all right here, just makes the FPS set it for the whole clip. So you can decide if it's going to be at full speed or half speed, whatever. So this is how you can control it. Obviously, with some third-party video editors, you have even more options, but this is all that you have available with the built-in software. So let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.